Now, I kind of stopped the recording so we didn't have all of that on there. How are you guys with this interval notation? I kind of wrote it as Mr. Miller started speaking. I didn't really explain. So the interval begins at -7/2, and it goes where?
Right.
To infinity. So -7/2 to infinities. Infinities always use parentheses. 7/2, why did I use a bracket? Because it was equal to. Does this sound familiar?
Yes.
Okay. We used a bracket because it was equal to. If it wasn't equal to, I would have used a parenthesis. Okay?
So do we just say infinity because we don't know what x is?
Well, it's greater than or equal to -7/2. So it's starting at -7/2, but we don't have an endpoint.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. Solve the inequality, graph it, write it in interval notation. I see a bunch of fractions. Do we want to work with the fractions?
No.
You can if you want. Not going to say you can't. My recommendation is going to be we get rid of the fractions. How do you get rid of said fractions? Why would you throw 12 out? Least common denominator, least common multiple. If we were getting a least common denominator. So what can 3, 2, and 4 all go into? 12. So we're going to multiply both sides by 12. I'm going to think of 12 as a fraction. It's 12 over 1. And my 12 is going to distribute. Now, this is where my generation, your generation, not the same of how we've been taught. I think of 12 over 1 times x over 3, and I cross cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. This is going to become 4x. Plus, what's half of 12? 6. Greater than x over 4 times 12 over 1. What's a fourth of 12?
3.
So 3x plus a third of 12. 4. Okay. Keep going. You know what to do from here at this point. I'm not questioning this one so much. Subtract the 3x over, and then you're probably subtracting 6 over, right?
Yeah.
4x minus 3x is x. 6 is cancel. 3x minus 3x cancels. 4 minus 6 is -2. X greater than -2. Well, that's a grand answer and everything, but that's not what I want. Okay? We're being asked to graph it and write it in interval notation. What is this as a graph? And officially, if you have to graph it, what? I'm going to say -2 and
Infinity?
a few other numbers on here. So -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0. What's the graph look like?
Parenthesis on the -2
Uh-huh.
going right.
Okay. So there's my graph. You have a couple in homework that say to graph. Please graph them. Some of you won't. What is this in interval notation? Where did my interval start?
-2.
With a
Parenthesis.
comma. How far does my interval go?
Infinity.
With a parenthesis. Now, should I see x greater than -2 on your paper? Yeah, because it's what you got when you solved. Okay, example 6. Solve the inequality, graph the solution, write interval notation. You got a three for here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Normally it's what you do to the left, you do to the right. Now it's what you do to one piece,
You do the
all 3 pieces. My job is to solve and have x by itself in the middle.
times by 3.
Okay, we have a divide by 3. How do we get rid of that divide by 3? We're going to multiply by 3. So I'm multiplying all 3 pieces by 3. Not purposely. Some of you will forget to multiply one of the pieces. So I end up with -9 less than, what's in the middle?
6x plus 15.
Why did I write 2x plus 5 then? What happens here?
Yeah.
The 3 cancels, and that's the one place you don't end up multiplying by 3, because the whole point is canceling the 3, yes?
Boy, I cannot do math today.
Okay, if it's 2x plus 5 in the middle, I'm going to subtract 5 on all 3 pieces. Negative 14, less than 2x, less than or equal to 10. Last step is to
Divide by 2.
divide by 2. I end up with negative 7, less than x, less than or equal to 5. Okay. I've gone quick today, I know, but hang with me. So I'm going to put negative 7, 0, and 5 on here because I'm trying to finish up quickly. Where is the shading?
Between negative 7 and 5.
Right? X is less than 5, so left of 5, greater than negative 7. So the shading is between. Are you guys with him?
Mm-hmm.
What do we have in terms of parentheses and brackets?
Parenthesis on negative 7, bracket on 5.
Good? Now, last step, interval notation. Where's my shading start?
Negative 7.
With a comma. Where's my shading end?
5 with a bracket.
Okay. 12 through 28 evens, 36 to 54 evens. I pushed. I normally would give us a little bit more reaction time here, okay? But I pushed to get through it. It's all skills you know. I'm going to be honest. Are all the equations and inequalities easy in homework?
No.
No. Okay, you're going to have to work at them. Bring back questions tomorrow. Okay? Show steps. I want to see work. I want to see steps. Read the directions. Where do I need graphs? Okay? Interval notation for all inequality answers. Have I hit everything? I see 4 graphs. The first 4 inequalities, 36, 38, 40, and 42, show graphs on my page. Everything else is just interval notation after that.